Hi guys, we're going to be doing a Nerf blaster video to see who can reach the couch first. And not all Nerf blasters, the one's got to be a green bow and arrow with some black. So let's go check our Nerf blasters out. So we got our Nerf blasters. And here's the bow and arrow. Here's the bow and arrow, guys. Now put them down, and we got a mini jolt. Okay, first two contestants. Got my arrow. So first contestant is the jolt, and this. I don't know what his name is, but they're both loaded. They're ready to fire. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Looks like, to me, this guy won. But if you think the jolt won,
leave you a comment.
Leave a comment. So, this guy won, but we're not going to be doing. Now, the next contestant are these two.
Okay.
So we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna load this. Probably the Nerf blaster would win because this does not shoot fast. I do not know why I'm doing this. But 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
That was pretty much a tie, maybe. But I think this Nerf blaster one, if you think that the bow and arrow one, leave a comment. So that was our video. Make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. Peace.